webinar that all must be aware of our e-court services provided by Honorable High Court in the form of CIS for the ease of doing business by the courts, by the advocates, and for the user-friendly litigants. There are in all more than 10 to 14 services provided by e-courts in respect of dealing the court business. Previously, the advocates has to rush to the depend on the court staff, and actual presence was necessary for getting the details of the document for them. Nowadays, the advocates are not necessary to rush for taking dates in the court. They can preview the case status, their case status on the basis of mobile application and even by using the e-court software. They can get the cause list, case status, court orders 24/7 at a click on their mobile or on their desktop. Further, they are entitled or they can see that they are getting the automated emails, generated emails if they are registered on CIS. We request you all advocates to first register yourself in the local district courts CIS as an advocate. You have to do only give your mobile number, your email ID, your address, and your bar as registration number. That is sufficient for your registration with the CIS of district court or taluka court, which will enable you to getting this automated generated email. You will get the entire cause list on email. At present, at due, our all advocates are getting their daily board on by email as and when our bench clerk gives the dates immediately. Even they are getting the various orders, judgments, and depositions uploaded by the judicial officer, by the concerned clerk on the particular site of particular case details in the CIS. Now I will show you some presentation by way of PPTs, which is most important. Why this is to be shown to you. I have said you that case status, cause list, court orders, automated email, and digital diary of advocate are the main features of e-court services. Except that these features, more 5 features are you can get orders, judgments, deposition copies. You can e-file your case by the help of e-court sites. You can make e-payment of court fee stamps. You need not wait for the stamps purchased by the stamp vendors. The days are now gone. You have just to pay the court fees either by the mode of GRAS, either by way of online pay by SBI, or by paying challan to the courts. Even we are accepting some fees such as fines and certified copy fees on POS machine directly from the litigants. It has increased the transparency in the court business. It has increased the faith in the litigants with the court and court staff. It is as well as it has lessened the burden on the court staff who has to collect the fees, who has to count the cash and deposit in bank. I deem fit here to tell you a thing, tell you a event. When I was posted in Pune as a motor vehicle court, there was daily heavy cash was received for fine of drunk and drive cases. The daily cash was above more than 2 lakhs every day, and therefore it was very hectic and cumbersome job for the clerk or the superintendent to collect the cash, to count the cash, to deposit it in to bank by making challans, etc. A person who was using to take the cash from court to bank was even not guarded by police, even not having any security. His life was also on threat. Therefore, we started the e-payment project and pilot project at Pune, and now at this juncture, the virtual court is running at Pune. I am proud to tell you that the 8th November Notabandi of Honorable Prime Minister has led me to innovate this idea of taking e-payments in a motor vehicle court at Pune. I just apprised that idea to Honorable PDJ, the then PDJ, Justice Prithviraj Chauhan sir, and he gave me green signal. We started working on it, and in the meanwhile, he get elevated as a justice. But I must thank him because he shown me faith on me, and immediately gave green signal to proceed further with the e-payments project. Thereafter, our Honorable Justice Lordship Sriram Modak came there as a PDJ Pune. He was also knowing me from Alibag. We had worked at one station, and therefore this idea was put forth and taken by him and successfully run. With the help of SBI eCollect, we started the project of accepting the fine and court fees on e-payment side. The NIC team and the Honorable E-Committee Supreme Court has integrated the site, and now it is available at all over India for in the name of e-payment for collecting the cash of collecting the fees, deposits, and judicial etc. The another facet and service made available by this e-court is N-Step. N-Step means you advocates are known that how difficult it is for you nowadays to get the summons served on the public. Sharing karna. Nowadays on public. Therefore, considering the various difficulties of service of summons by the bailiffs, our e-committee has made a solution of N-Step. Now we have given a Android mobile to our bailiff. As and when the suit get files with the court and the clerk generates the CIS summons, it gets uploaded on the mobile of bailiff, concerned bailiff. He receives the data of summons, he takes it and goes on the destination. Then he shows the summons to the party, snaps the photo giving summons, and takes his signature on the Android mobile. It is so simple, just as we are taking the delivery of food on Zomato, and when the delivery boy asks us to sign on the mobile by e-pen, the same procedure is used after completion of service of summons. Now, so many questions will raise in your mind. If there is no facility of internet, what would happen? If he doesn't go there, then what will happen? For that purpose, the e-committee has taken precautions that every bailiff, when reaches to the spot, his longitude and latitude and even timing is generated on that service report. Even if he is not in a network area, then at the time when it comes within the network area, it will be automatically get uploaded on the CIS. The judge sitting in the court will immediately see that this summons is served. In the urgent matters of injunction or service of notice, now judges will not have to stop for coming at the actual manual report. It can be traced by the way of CIS software in our DIAS computer itself. This is very good facility given by the e-court services and e-committee. The next facility is of QR code. You all are aware that after filing the suit, you get the CNR number. The 16 digit CNR number is denotes, first two digit denotes your state, the second two digits denote your district, and rest of the number is in regard the suit numbers. After getting this CNR number, a facility of generating QR code is given in the CIS. Once you generate this QR code from eCourts website, it will be a case diary for you for all time. You can just scan your mobile on that QR code and get the status of your case to show your client. Now the days are gone that client even phones you and asks the details of case. The clients are nowadays very clever, become clever. Rather, I will say they are more techno savvy than us. They are using the facets of eCourts eCourts website, and they will say that no sir, our case is kept today for evidence. We have to adduce evidence. You are telling me lie. Therefore, these court services are very important for the doing of court business for the advocate. Now, the ETAL is a platform of dissemination of the e-transactions of national and state level e-governance projects, including mission mode project. Our e-court project is a mission mode project. After clicking this site of ETAL government, you will see that how high cases, highest number of transactions has been done on eCourts project. It is more than 1 million and more than 8. The highest number of e-transactions are made by using the number of 14 number of e-services of eCourts. I'm very happy to next slide. I'm very happy to show that World Bank had also appraised the court business of India on the basis of the data collected from NJDJ, and they have given their report, India jumps doing business, ranking with the sustained reform focus. They have collected the data of e-services used by the departments from Delhi and Mumbai, and they found that National Judicial Data Grid, that is the NJDJ site, is a very good management reports of local courts, whereby they can be easier to introduce the contracts. Now, I will ask you all, advocates, have you visited ever the website www.ecourts.gov? This site is the soul of this entire e-transaction. I request all advocates, do visit the site each day, every day, because this is now a part of your advocacy. This is now your part of your business, because you are getting the various information from high courts, Supreme Courts, and judicial commissions, even from this site, accessing these sites. After accessing these sites, you will see that in all 39 high court complexes are now connected with each other. It gives data of showing the case pendency of cases. 4,82 million cases are pending in high courts. 29 lakh and 96,000 cases are disposed by the high courts. AC has listed the case 28,000 cases today. Friends, this is a PPT. This is not today's data. This is data collected long back in the month of June. You will have to go to this site and access it. I will show you it in actual practical training. I am just showing you, appraising you the facets of this site by showing this cursor on that eCourts website. It gives the data of NJDJ, it gives data of Supreme Court, it gives data of High Courts, even district courts. Now, this site is very inclusive system. The eCourts website can be seen on mobile app also. Here, the information is given. Download app for Android and iOS from Google Play Store. If you download it, you will get it on your mobile also. The Supreme Court committee has also taken precaution that whomsoever not using the Android or iOS mobile or having a simple mobile, even they can know the current status of their case by sending SMS to the eCourts, space your CNR number to 9766899899. This, if you send the SMS to this number, you will get the case details in immediately on your message. The eCourt services has given a separate panel of rather separate site. If you want to avail High Court services, you can access the services of eCourts, that is cause list, case status, orders and judgments of Honorable High Court, by clicking on this High Court services site. If you want to take the data from the NJDJ, which is a monitoring tool, it identifies and manages reduced pendency of cases. All are High Court. There are two types of NJDJs. One is made for High Courts and other is for district courts. If you click on the site of High Court of NJDJ, you will get data of and all High Courts in the nation. So also the separate tab is given for High Courts of India. If you have to access the sites of all different High Courts of India, you can click on this High Court site. Immediately you will be get connected with the High Court data, and you can search the data eCourts, the data whichever you are required in respect of your case, your client's case, or even others' case. It has made public. It has kept open to all. The next portal given on this eCourt site is District Court Services. If you want to access the services of eCourts for districts, you can click the site of District Court Service. You will get the cause list, case status, orders, judgments, and even NJDJ's data on District Court Services. At the same time, just like High Court, a portal is given for separately to District Court NJDJ, which shows the pendency of cases, disposed cases in the district courts, various district courts, whichever you are like to see it. At the same time, the services of district courts of all over India can be accessed by clicking this website of District Courts of India. Friends, the system is now become user-friendly for all litigants, advocates. You have to just access it and use it for the purpose of doing your advocacy business. Now I will show the another services which are available on eCourt services. The main portal is available for e-filing on this eCourt services website. If you want to file any application or suit, any claim, upload any document electronically by using the e-mode, that is e-filing, you can go on this site directly from the eCourt services. Now you will feel the question, sir, I will file a suit on e-filing, but how I would be able to pay the court fees? How I will be able to pay the fees of certified copies? For that purpose, this ePay site is also a portal is given for ePay. ePay is a way paying of court through an electronic medium without use of check or cash. You have given various options. You can pay from your home through your online account. You can pay even by using the GRAS system. You can pay even your debit card or credit ATM cards for this. This is very good site. It has curtailed various options of corruptions, various delays in the court business. Previously, the parties, after pronouncing a order of fine, have to remain present, have to wait in line for paying the fine. Now you can pay the fine immediately on the basis of this ePay site. The next facility is given of virtual courts. I'm glad to, again, glad to and very happy to say that my dream project of eCourt virtual court has been started in Pune, and it is functioning very good. Today, it is started at Nashik also. With this, I will repeat the words of Honorable Chairman, E-Committee, Supreme Court, Honorable Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud sir, who says, justice is service. It is not only a service of payment. You have to devote, you have to give more to even litigants coming before the court, who are coming and going to you for a justice. Therefore, he again says that technology empowers the advocates. He believes in these words. His words are just like diamonds, because whenever any advocate is using this technology and filing cases by mode of e-filing, or doing arguments on video conferencing, sitting at his home and giving the justice to his client, what more than we require? This is a good option given for all advocates. Therefore, I again say the words of our Honorable Chairman saying that technology empowers and advocates is less like a diamond in the star. We need to create inclusive system. He says always, you do everything for transparency of business, e-court business. But whatever you will do, it should include all the parties. The system must be user-friendly. It must be inclusive system for all. These services even can be accessed by the blinds also, visually impaired also. Therefore, that our e-committee has taken precaution and made available the option of screen reader access for the visually impaired in the site itself. Various type of sites are provided on the e-courts services site, that screen reader access sites, just like Nova, System Access to Goa, System Access to Go, etc. are given. By accessing that sites, the visually impaired persons, litigants also can avail the services of e-court sites. Now I will show you to the data of district court services on ecourts.gov practically. Please go through it minutely. I will directly connect it online by showing the data. Please connect the online session. Right. 5 minutes. District court view. Now I have directly gone. Share. Whether you are visible the district court's website? I have now started this online session of showing you data. This is our district court dues website. It gives all advocates list at a click of hand. If you click on this advocate list, it will show you the advocates registered with CIS due and practicing at due. It gives holiday list. It shows officers in district court. It gives various circulars uploaded. This streaming is also going on. And mainly it shows the services for case status. If you want to see your case status, you have just to click on this case status tab. you will get these 9 options. You can see it by case number, you can see it by FIR number, you can see it by party name, you can see it by advocate name, you can see at case code, act and case type. Now I will show you by advocate name for a sec. I have just clicked that button. Close कर दिया. So no server is available, unavailable. 502. Aditya, what happened? Advocate name, advocate. It's loading. It will take time because due to the internet also plays a more important role in this connection. All advocates should have the internet connection, good internet connection with their laptop or mobiles. Unless you get the good internet connection, you will not be able to access the services of this district court site. I have tried on showing the services. Okay, we will start. We will share the data of district court Silvassa. You go on that district court site. View district, instead of view district court site, you go on. No. It goes WhatsApp. Open new tab. Bookmarks. E-court services. One minute. We will access the site from this district court services. After clicking this site, share kar. You all are. You click this site. Session बंद करो. प्रशांत sir, am I audible? ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट का सर्वर क्यों नहीं चल रहा है? मेहुल भाई,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wait, we will start that online site. It shows server is not accessible, data is not accessible. Advocate name का. ये क्या प्रॉब्लम है? District Court Services. E-page file करा. Friends, he share कर. Friends, the site of district court seems to be overloaded or some technical problem has arisen in that website. Therefore, I will please be excused and forgive. I'm unable to show you that data will immediately show later on. But till then, I will show the website of ePay for digital payment. It has given 4 type of modes. One is court fee, another is judicial deposit, fine and penalty. You have to select the category in which you have to pay, make the payment. Then thereafter 2 knobs are given, buttons are given. One is for district court, another is high court. If you want to file, pay the fine of the court fee in a district court case, even 2 separate knobs are given. One is for new case and another is for existing case. After selecting the new case, you have to just enter your state, then you have to enter your district, then your establishment, party name, amount and remark. In the column of remark, you have to say that court fees are paid for particular suit. Then you will have to give your mobile number. After giving your mobile number, you will get the OTP. You have to just agree the terms and conditions, accept the conditions, and thereafter you will get the OTP generated, and then after you will given directly access to the actual e-payment site. I have given you a cursory look of online look of ePay site. It is said that this judicial system and e-court system is a very vast system. Actually, you will have to swim in the water to search this website, and then you will get the fruits. It will not be possible for me or anybody to show you, to give you a training by taking hands to hand by showing it. You just have to swim in the water of e-courts services and have the appropriate fruit of getting e-payment and other things. With this, I will conclude my session. This is a test session of tomorrow's live event, and I am thankful to Honorable PDJ, our PDJ sir, who gave me an opportunity to conduct the session. I am also thankful to our court staff, technical staff, who has done this arrangement for arranging this webinar. I am thankful to all my colleagues who guided me in doing this webinar. And so far as the chats and questions are concerned, that will be considered tomorrow. Goodbye. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Over to Mehul. Mehul, are you audible?
Yes, sir.
Why your camera is off? You start your camera.
Right.
Give vote of thanks.
Yes. વકીલ મિત્રોને જેણે પણ આ વેબિનારમાં પાર્ટિસિપેટ કર્યું તેના તમામ સર્વ વકીલ મિત્રોને મારે પ્રિન્સિપાલ ડિસ્ટ્રિક્ટ એન્ડ સેશન જજ દીવ દમણ સિલવાસા એન્ડ સિવિલ જસ્ટિસ રિજિયન એન્ડ ચીફ જ્યુડિશિયલ દીવ તરફથી તમારો ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર માનું છું. થેન્ક યુ એવરીબડી.
I will request Honorable Advocate Prashant Joshi to speak some words. Over to Prashant.
I'm sending some questions, but tomorrow we'll solve the questions.
Okay, sir. How you like this today's session?
Very good, very comfortable. But the range is very problematic.
you were not able.
Problem.
You are not able to see my my picture.
Not perfect, and sound is also not clear.
Okay, sound was bandwidth was low. You were not getting sound.
Sound is very disturbed.
Okay. Whether
Problem. This is a trial.
whether Gopi sir is online.
Yeah, Gopi sir is also available.
Gopi sir, unmute sir. Gopi sir, audible to you?
Where is
Gopi sir.